Good morning, Tom. Ready for our walk?
Yes, Dad. I love our morning walks.
They start walking down the street, enjoying the fresh air and chirping birds.
Hey, what's that?
Tom picks up a wallet and quickly hides it behind his back.
Did you find something, Tom?
Oh, nothing, Dad. Just a rock.
All right, let's keep walking.
How was your walk, boys?
It was great. Tom seemed to enjoy it.
Yeah, it was fun.
After breakfast, Tom sneaks to his room and looks at the wallet again. John walks in and sees it.
Tom, where did you get this wallet?
I found it on the street this morning, Dad. I didn't know what to do.
Tom, you should have told us. It's not right to keep things that aren't yours.
Yes, Tom. The person who lost it must be worried.
We need to return this wallet. Let's see the ID card. Tom, when you find something that isn't yours, you must try to return it. It's the right thing to do.
I'm sorry, Dad. I didn't mean to do anything wrong.
The owner lives not too far from here. We can go there and return the wallet.
Good job, Tom. You are doing the right thing.
Hello, how can I help you?
My son found this wallet on the street this morning. We want to return it to its owner.
Thank you for bringing it in. Many people might not have done that. You did the right thing.
Thank you, sir.
You did a good thing, young man. Returning lost items is very important.
I'm proud of you, Tom. You learned a valuable lesson today.
Thank you, Dad. I understand now.
Thank you both for being honest and responsible. It's people like you who make our community better.
How did it go?
We returned the wallet to the police. They will find the owner.
The police officer said we did a good thing.
I'm proud of you, Tom. You made the right choice.
You're a hero, Tom. Thanks, everyone. I'm glad I did the right thing.